Today we're doing a very simple and quick marble set. It's a very subtle pastel marble, and let's get started. I've got some tips, medium length coffin tips I've prepped already. We're using all Beetles polish today. This set is not specifically for Easter, but I think it would be cute for an Easter set. And we're starting off with this white. Now when I pulled this white out, I forgot that it was a milky white instead of a regular white. So by the time I realized that, it's like, well, I've already started, I'm just going to go for it. So that's what we did. This set, as I said, was super easy. Anybody can do this. Took me about a half an hour all in to do these. And you're going to see me do the entire set because I'm going to be jumping back and forth between the two racks for the marbles while I have the same colors out. So starting off, we've cured that base layer, just one coat, and our marble layer, starting off with the yellow, some of the same white we just used. Now I'm going to be using these colors in a very specific order, as I wanted them to kind of be rainbowy. When you see the whole finished set lined up, you'll see what I mean. And this is a very pale peach. Now at this point I was ready to go. There's the ombre brush we're going to use. And I realized as I was just about to scoop that up, I forgot to put the blooming gel on, so that's where we got to stop and do that now. Just a thin layer of blooming gel. You don't need a whole heck of a lot. Whew. I'm a bit out of breath here. I just came back from my hike to the mailbox. Our mailbox is about 2 blocks away from our house, so as I've said in the past, we live in a rural area, so that's my daily exercise, the hike down to the mailbox. Okay, here we go for the marble. We're going to start off with the yellow and peach, separated by the white. We're just going to scoop it up on the ombre brush, and then we're going to kind of just float it onto the nail. Oopsie, hair. Requisite hair. Okay, you don't want to full-on brush it on because it will make your colors blend together and they'll get muddy. And it doesn't totally matter how you put it on. I usually like to do a long kind of swoopy bit down the middle, and then I go and add extra parts as I'm going. You just kind of keep playing around with it until you're happy. And that's that one. I'm going to move on to the other one. Now, as I finished both nails of the same color, then I was curing them at that point. I didn't want to let it sit there until I got the whole rack done, because then it would have bloomed out too much and we would have lost the marble. So, as I said, you're just going to keep playing around with it. This one needs a little more of the orangey color in there. And I think we're good there. Okay, those I have put into cure. Now moving on to the next nail. Oh, no, we're not. I lied. I guess I'm going to play around with this one a little more. Yeah, there's some dust or something in there making little things that I didn't want. So if you get too thick of an area where it doesn't look good, you can just swipe some of it off. Okay, moving on to the next nail. We're going to go in with the same orangey color, pale peach, whatever you want to call it. Another stripe of white, and then we bring in the new color, which in this case is going to be pink. And then we're ready to go on to the next one. Now after these two, I'm going to speed it up but for these I'm going to just show you one more time. And the blooming gel will disperse the polish a bit and like fuzz it out, I guess you could say. It'll give it more of that subtle marble that I'm going for on these. And I think, okay, I was happy with that. Moving on to the next one. These are the ring fingers here. Now, surprise of all surprises, there are absolutely no embellishments on these nails. I wanted something super quick and easy. This is my set for getting ahead of the game because I'm going to be going out to my parents for my spring visit pretty soon here, in a couple weeks, but so I needed to get one set done ahead of where I'm at. So you guys will have an uninterrupted bunch of tutorials coming while I'm gone. Okay, I'm moving on. We go with the same pink, white again, and then we add the new color in. And we're just going to continue on like that. And as I already said, I wanted this whole set to have like a rainbowy feel to it. So next we have purple. And after I get this on here, I'm going to speed up to double time. So it will be going faster, but you got the gist of what we're doing, I think. Same thing, different colors. And as I said too, like after I got each, 2 nails of the same color done, I was curing them because I did not want to let them sit too long with the blooming gel because it will disperse it a bit too much, and then you won't see the marble. Okay, there's one, number 2 at warp speed. Quite frankly, this set was so quick to do and easy, but just quick. I think I said I got the whole set done all in half an hour. This one got a little muddy because I just kept fiddling with it, so my colors kind of started to blend together a bit much. So you want to look out for that. Okay, next one, same purple, white again, and then we'll be adding in blue as the new color. It was really hard for me to not do any embellishments on these, you guys, but I'm pulling myself back. I'm trying to hold myself in check here. Next week, never mind. I was going to say, next week I'm doing my own nails, but once you guys won't be seeing this video till after that one, so never mind. Okay, there's 1 and the 2. The only way you really can go wrong with this method of marbling is if you brush it on and muddy your colors together too much. I mean, I personally think this is the simplest way to do a marble, and most of the time that's the way I do it. There are some really, really nice marbles I've seen out there, but they are a lot more work and detail, but I haven't mastered that yet. Okay, new color we're adding in this time is green. I'm going to need a little more. And we have worked our way up to the thumbnail. Another hair in it. Now I do know on the thumbnails that some of my stuff got a little on the thick side. I'm trying to get some more green in there. I got a lot of blue on that one. That one's getting a little muddy now. Okay, and the last one. Oh, and it goes without saying, but I'll say it anyway. In between each different color change, I'm cleaning my brush. I'm sure you guys would have figured that out, but just in case I have anybody new that has never done marble before. And there we go. Nope, not yet. Now we're good. Okay, those have been all cured, and now I'm going in with my tempered top coat. I thought about doing this as a matte set, and I think it would have looked really soft and pretty and matte, but it would have made the colors even softer than they already are, so I think it might have been a little light, but anyway, it would look pretty that way too, if you really wanted it extra subtle. And one more to top, and then we will be done. And we'll cure them, and then we'll be done. And bam, there they are, all cured up, all done. As I said, quick and easy peasy. Anybody should be able to do these. If you like them, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to see more, I upload a new video every Saturday. I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys next time. That's all I got for now. Bye-bye.